garlic is well known for its various health effects. In this discussion, we will focus on the most common and significant ones. Garlic enhances immune system function and reduces symptoms of the common cold and flu. The primary reason for this is that garlic contains allicin, which exhibits antimicrobial and antiviral actions in laboratory studies. Additionally, it is believed that allicin influences immune system function, including cytokine proliferation. One of the most substantial pieces of evidence regarding garlic's effects comes from a study involving 144 participants. In this study, one group received a garlic powder supplement of 1.2 grams per day, while another group received a placebo. The occurrence of common colds in the garlic group was 41% less. Furthermore, even when colds developed, they lasted less than 3 days in the garlic group, compared to around 7 days in the placebo group. Thus, garlic reduced both the occurrence and duration of colds. However, it is important to note that allicin is unstable during cooking. To benefit from allicin, it is better to consume it through supplements or raw garlic. Allicin is the compound that gives garlic its characteristic unpleasant smell. According to a larger Cochrane study, there is insufficient evidence to determine garlic's effectiveness in preventing the common cold and flu. Additionally, several small-scale studies support garlic's cardiovascular protective actions and cholesterol-lowering effects. Numerous studies suggest that garlic supplements can lower blood pressure in individuals with hypertension, likely due to garlic's ability to increase the body's production of nitric oxide, which helps relax blood vessels and reduce blood pressure. Regarding garlic and cancer, laboratory studies indicate that allicin, the main compound in garlic, has anti-cancer properties, reducing cell growth and inducing apoptosis. However, translating these effects to real-life situations is challenging because high doses and concentrated extracts used in laboratory settings are difficult to achieve through consuming garlic. Despite this, several studies suggest that people who regularly consume garlic have lower rates of gastric and colorectal cancers. Nonetheless, proving a cause-and-effect relationship remains difficult. The optimal intake of garlic for health benefits is considered to be 1 to 2 cloves daily, typically consumed raw. For those using an extract, the recommended dose is 1 to 2 grams of dried garlic powder daily. Crushing garlic activates allicin, its main bioactive compound, which is responsible for many of its health benefits. However, this increase in allicin is modest, and consuming raw garlic can irritate the stomach for some individuals. Garlic is also recognized for its antioxidant properties, being considered rich in various antioxidants. Consuming raw garlic is deemed most effective for obtaining these antioxidant benefits. In addition to its well-known effects, garlic intake may offer other potential benefits, such as diabetes management and enhanced athletic performance, although evidence supporting these effects is weak and inconclusive. Despite the noted potential for raw garlic to irritate the stomach, it's important to discuss its prebiotic effects. Garlic supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, contributing to improved gut health and function. However, for those with sensitive digestive systems or conditions like irritable bowel syndrome (IBS), garlic, especially in its raw form, might exacerbate symptoms due to its fructose content. Garlic is generally safe for most people, but high doses can lead to side effects such as bad breath, heartburn, gas, and diarrhea. Additionally, garlic has blood-thinning properties, similar to aspirin, which should be considered by those on blood-thinning medication or facing surgery. To mask the smell of garlic, consuming foods like apples, pears, spinach, or mint leaves after a meal containing garlic can help neutralize the odor. These foods contain enzymes and compounds that bind to sulfur-containing compounds in garlic, reducing their pungency. Another effective method to neutralize garlic smell is through the consumption of dairy products, especially whole milk, due to its fat content, which helps in absorbing and eliminating the odor-causing compounds in garlic.